Hello, babes. Buenos dias. So, today is Christmas. It's actually the day after Christmas, probably when you will see it. But it is Christmas. I'm trying to get ready. Going to spend the day with the fams. And first, we got to open up our advent calendars, the last two. The advent calendars have been really, really good this year. So let's do that. Let's go upstairs. Let's open up these advent calendars. Okay, here's Joe Malone, day number 25. It's right here. And it is English pear and freesia, full size bottle. All right, so that is it for Joe Malone, day number 25, English pear and freesia. This is one of their signature scents. I believe I have smaller ones, but I don't think I have this size anymore. So great to have it in my collection. Thank you, Joe Malone. This has been a very nice advent calendar. Some notes I would make for next time with this advent calendar is more candles, definitely. You're known for your beautiful candles, so I think having more of those would be beneficial. And more creams, perhaps, as well. I don't recall seeing any of the creams in there. We did have a lotion, but I don't think we had any creams. So those would be the things that I would add to next year's calendar, and more full size. I think this is the first full size thing that we've gotten in this advent calendar. And I don't recall us not having full size items in previous advent calendars. So that would be the thing that I would say, more of this size if you're going to give perfumes. I did like the variety of perfumes, but I would have liked more full size items in this advent calendar box, especially for the price tag. We could have gotten bigger sizes. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, and here we have the last advent calendar for 2022, OPI. Give her an open. Day number 25. And that is Bring Out the Big Gems. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm actually going to wear this one today. I'm going to redo my nails and my pedicure, and I'm going to put this on. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, solid. I like it. Again, would have preferred full-size bottles, but this is perfect because it gives me a chance to test out the ones that I like and see which ones I want to add full size to my arsenal. I did have 2 repeats of larger sizes that I already owned in here. So those 2 will go to my babes in my giveaway. And let me try to think if there was anything else. Like, I loved everything about this advent calendar. So yeah, solid, pretty solid. Hi babes, so this concludes this year's 2022 BELLAmas. I hope you enjoyed it. We had advent calendars, we had some vlogs. I think the best advent calendar that I opened up this year, it was tied between the wines and OPI. Both of them were great. As for Joe Malone, I liked it. I didn't love it. I would have preferred more full size, definitely more candles. Standout favorites for Jo Malone, definitely the Intense series of the colognes. And I did love that little snow globe, which is now sitting on my office desk. So here in the studio. So I would love for Jo Malone to put more of those types of things in her advent calendar for next year, most definitely. Then, of course, we cannot acknowledge this year's BELLAmas without a word about our co-host who we lost during the 7th day of BELLAmas. She will always, always, always be a fixture here at BrownGirlBella in some way, shape, or fashion. And once I figure that out, I will definitely bring it to you, babes. But thank you for holding me up during that. The ones that I missed during my morning of Brooklyn, I will definitely bring it to you in shorts so that you do see what advent calendar surprises we had for days that I missed uploading. So more to come on that soon. Don't forget, we will be doing the BELLAmas Awards this coming Thursday. I will be posting more of the nominations on my community tab today and tomorrow through Wednesday. And then, of course, the big reveal, who gets the top prize, will be awarded on Thursday during Bella After Dark. Make sure you have it here. And until I see you again, I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and you have now been BELLAfied. Happy holidays.